Hi, once again. So, um, my family is not back yet. I have one brother, kind of four sisters. One's my best friend, and two are my stepsisters. And yeah, I'm in 5th grade. So every July, I go visit my family. We all go to my grandma's house, and I will video. We all gave each other nicknames. Yeah. And I have 2 dogs, 1 cat, my fish dog, stuff. And over the Thanksgiving, I went to Ohio. I saw reindeers and an otter, and I rode horses, and I saw a fox. I went to see lights. I did not see snow, sadly. Doesn't snow here. It hasn't snowed in a long time. And yeah, my best friend, I was on her YouTube channel. Go follow her, Pony Producer 101. She's my best friend. Her phone got messed up or something, so yeah. And here's my dog, Brooklyn. Say hi. Say hi. And I have another dog named Ivy. She's really small. And I have a cat named Pumpkin. What else should you know about me? I love math. I do cook a lot. What else? I love to climb. You know, I don't have a boyfriend, but one of my best friends at school, my best friend, Jasmine, the one I told you about, Pony Producer 101. She does not go to my school, but one of my other friends at school is dating my crush, and she knows she's totally fine with it. But I think there's something really bad going on, because Zariah, she's like kind of nasty girl. She's like a hoe, pervert, kinda. But I don't want to be mean about it. Her and my crush, not my friend at school. My friend at school is named Nakaya. The pervert one is Zariah. And Zariah and Nakaya's boyfriend hang out a lot. But I know there's something between, because they just sit down together a lot. And that's what I just reminded myself about. To text Nakaya about. She wasn't at school today. She's probably still in the summer for Thanksgiving. But yeah. I'm going to be vlogging and all that stuff. But I might do DIYs, kinda, if I get the stuff. But yeah. Christmas is coming up, and I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. My dad is in the army. What? You say hi? Now my dog is like a good dog. I'm gonna show you something. Her name is Brooke. I'm gonna turn on the water. Hold on. Let me put it in between the legs. Brooke, come here. Can you see her? Yeah. Hold on, I don't want to spray myself. See? She goes crazy about it. Hopefully I don't get it on my socks. She'll eat it. She likes to eat it. And she'll eat the lawnmower. And she'll eat the broom. This is her ball. It's not necessarily a ball anymore. It's like a slingshot. But, yeah. Comment down below if you want to just ask questions. What do you want to know about? Just, yeah. Hold on, let me go get a game. It's like a really fun game. You probably saw it on commercial. Let me get the game. And being outside, it's not very big, but it's really fun. Come on, Brooke. No one said? No. It's called Bop It. Yes, I got it while I was out in Thanksgiving. Let's play. Now, me and my stepdad were in a competition. I got 30. No, I mean, he got 42. So.
Bop it to start. High score, 42. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Hammer it. Bop it. Hammer it. Twist it. Drink it. Pull it. Hammer it. Selfie it. Selfie it. Bop it.